Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Curiosity Unlimited. So today I have another product of BLUEWUD. This product is a kitchen unit, so where you can keep all the containers and things in your kitchen. So let's start unboxing it. Let me just change the angle. Okay, it's better now. So I have already used one BLUEWUD product, which is a TV unit. If you can check the video in the information box on top. So this is another BLUEWUD unit that I'm going to install. So it consists of 5-6 wooden pieces and it's quite heavy. Just trying to remove everything without damaging mask. The packaging is nice. There are 6 boxes, 6 wooden boards rather. These are some screws and accessories just come with it that we can connect later. These are the things that will connect on the wall with a screw, so you can hang it on the wall. Some packaging. So this is how it looks once you remove all the wooden boards. There are 6 boards, single boards of number 1 and 2, 2 boards of 3 and 2 boards of 4. So you can you have to connect number 4 to first 1 and 2 basis this assembly instructions. There's assembled view, blown up view, and the steps start on how to do it. Third and fourth step, and this is the final step. So this is what it looks after the completion of first step. I have connected 2 board number 4s to board number 1. Now what I'll have to do is I'll have to connect board number 2 to the right side of the table. Then it will look like an H. And then we will connect 3 and 4. So now we have connected board number 1 and 2 to board numbers 4, and this is how it looks. Then we have to connect board number 3 with 2 boards to top and the bottom. Yeah, so that is how it looks now after connecting everything. So total there are 16 screws that you need to put. 2 for board number 4, and these are the stickers that you can connect, you can attach to where you're putting the screws, so that the screws can be hidden. And then these two these 2 things that you will connect it in the wall, so that you can hang it. There's some screws and tabs for that. So we'll come to it now. We'll first connect the tabs and the wall hanging things, and then we'll connect the stickers. So this is how it looks. This is how you have to do it. See, the bottom you have to connect that 2 tabs, so that when it is against the wall it does not give a scratch to a wall something. And then you have to connect these 2 with 3 screws each. So this is how it looks once I connect. I have connected one, and I have to tell you there is no drilled hole already for this, so it's quite difficult to put the screw in. So I'll show you how I did it. So I took a tester and hit it with another screwdriver so that I can create an indent there. Then this is screwdriver that I'm using, and then I created one more indent using the same, like made an X, so I have a center point. I'm going to do it now once again so that I can show it to you guys. Or if you have a drill, you can just drill a hole. I did have access to a drill, but it was not very convenient for me to remove at that time. So this is how you can just make an indent, put the tab in, and then put the screw. First I'll put the screw so that I have a small hole where I can keep the screw stable, because while keeping this tab and putting the screw in, it's quite difficult. So I'll just put the screw in first, make a small incision, small hole, so that I can, when I put the tab, I can then easily hold it. I think that should be enough. Okay. So now I'll put that tab and I'll put the screw over it, and then I'll push it in. Since the hole is not drilled, it's a bit difficult, but since it is not a real hardwood, it is still possible to just push it with your hand and put it in. Just have to tighten it up a bit. It's not moving now. Now let's come to the top part where we can connect the wall hanging things. I just don't know what does it call. So this one probably looks like it will go on the other side. That is how it will get connected. Okay, so I've just arranged the camera. Now I'm putting this in. So again, there are no drilled holes available for it. So if you have an access to drill, you can just drill it yourself and then put the screws in easily, or you can just try to push the screws in and it will still go, since it's not a real hardwood. You just need to push it a bit. So I'm just putting the screws and I'm not tightening it up. Once all the 3 screws are somewhat in, then I can tighten it up easily and it will not move from its place. This one is not going in easily. Okay, there you go. Now you can just tighten up all the screws so that the thing is in place, it's not moving, and it can support the whole unit on the wall. Now all 3 screws are nicely screwed in and the thing is not moving, so it's time to connect the other one. So this is I've already connected this now, so as you can see that it's sitting nicely, and it can easily go under the wall. Now we can just put the stickers to where the screws are, so it's hidden. We don't have to put it here on the back, we have to put it on the side and the top where the screws are visible, because back will anyway go to the wall side. So this is how it looks after you put the stickers on. The screws are not visible, the color is not 100% matching, but since one is kind of a sun mica and one is just a sticker, but yeah, it does a good job of concealing the screws. So I've put the stickers on all the 16 screws, and this is how it looks once it is completed. So there you go. If you liked watching the video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel, and give your comments if you have anything to say. And this is the brand of the product, it's BLUEWUD. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.